This crispy fried chicken is from southern Thailand. It is known as Hat Yai chicken. It is very fragrant thanks to the marinade with spices and coriander roots. Its texture is perfect, a thin crispy crust on the outside and a soft flesh inside. Prepare it, I promise you a culinary journey. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. One day before, start by marinating the chicken. In Thai cuisine, the use of coriander roots as a seasoning base is very old. By including them in the marinade, the taste of coriander will be intense. Put in a pan 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Roast them over low heat. Continually stir. As soon as you smell a good perfume, cut the fire. Put them into a bowl and let cool for 5 minutes. Score the chicken legs so that the marinade can deeply penetrate. Blend the roasted spices. Cut 4 coriander roots. Also take a part of green stems. Put them in a mortar. Peel 8 garlic cloves. Also put them in a mortar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Grind them. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, the spicy powder. Combine. Spread this mixture all over the chicken legs. Let them marinate overnight in the fridge. The next day, take them out of the fridge 1 hour before frying. Mince 150 grams of shallots. Prepare the batter to give the chicken a thin crispy crust. Mix in a bowl 45 grams of rice flour, 45 grams of cornstarch, 15 grams of wheat flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 15 centiliters of water. Combine until getting a smooth liquid batter. Fry the shallots over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Be careful, gently put them in as the oil can foam and overflow. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, turn on low heat and continuously stir. When they are golden brown, take them out. Let them cool. They'll become crispy. Dip each leg in the batter and fry them in the same oil as the shallots. Fry them for 20 minutes over medium heat, flipping them every 2 minutes. take them out. Enjoy the chicken legs with sticky rice and Thai chili sauce. Generously sprinkle them with the fried shallots. Eat without delay. Bon appétit! The fried chicken is very tasty and crispy. The thin crust is important. It protects the flesh by keeping it tender and retaining the aroma of the marinade. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.